Welcome to the world of WEARMAX Ceramic Coating, the first high-performance floor sealant with ceramic particles, designed for restoration or enhancing underperforming floors. WEARMAX Ceramic Coating is the perfect solution to significantly increase the lifespan and appearance of heavily worn floors. 120 million ceramic particles per square meter ensure the highest wear resistance and so ensure optimum long-term protection for your flooring. WEARMAX Ceramic Coating is the solution for highly trafficked, high-maintenance, slippery or problematic floors. Restoration using WEARMAX Ceramic Coating saves on costs, time, while creating a bright and dynamic workspace. Save up to 60% on replacement costs. Save up to 15% on core cleaning costs. Save 100% cost of periodic stripping and sealing. Save up to 50% time compared to replacement. Save up to 50% by faster cleaning. WEARMAX Ceramic Coating simplifies daily cleaning, thanks to limiting resoiling with an easy-to-clean surface. The amount of cleaning products used is significantly reduced with preventive maintenance no longer required. The interruption to operations while the flooring is being restored with WEARMAX is significantly less than would be the case if the old flooring were to be completely replaced. Irrespective of colored or crystal clear, WEARMAX Ceramic Coating gives heavily worn floors a brand new appearance, whilst being suitable for application on practically all types of flooring. Design your high-resistant floor and experience the world of WEARMAX Ceramic Coating, the first high-performance floor sealant with ceramic particles.